Good morning, Hawks. Welcome to another episode of Garage Math with Mr. Garza. I hope you had a great weekend. The weather outside right now is not too good. Fog in the spring, kind of crazy. You have out here in the country at least, there's a pretty strong breeze as well, some good wind. It was not fun being outside here earlier with T. But let's get to the math with Mr. Garza here in the garage. Hopefully you've already met my friend Ken and my other friend Randy. Seattle Mariner icons, two of my favorite Mariners ever. Today's math is going to be geometry still. You're going to be looking at shapes that are kind of tricky to solve, but we're still looking for the area of a shape. So let me get that here. We're still looking for the area of a shape. You might have triangles, you might have squares, you might have rectangles. So remember the area, the formula to find the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And to find the area of a rectangle is the base times the height. If you look at this shape here, it's like a cross looking deal. It doesn't have all sides measured. It doesn't give you a measurement, but what it does say is that they are all congruent sides. I'm not an art teacher, so my shape isn't gonna look congruent, but it is. This shape here, we'll call this shape A, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it up right down the side there, and then we're going to call this over here shape B. These two shapes here are congruent. B and A, they're the same. So you might be thinking as we're looking at shape A, well, what is the height here? We know that the bottom is 12, but what would the height be? Well, remember A and B are congruent. So if they're congruent, that means that because this is 12, that means that this over here is going to be 12, and because this is 9, this over here is also going to be 9 inches. So now we could solve for this shape here, which is going to be 12 times 9. That written down here so you guys can see it. It's 18. That's 108 inches squared. For this shape, that's 108. Sorry for the sloppiness, 108. So that means that side or shape B over here would be 108 inches as well. Now we have this area here in the middle that we need to figure out. And you could do one of two things. You could solve this big rectangle and just solve this whole area here. What you could do also is maybe split it up there and solve for this shape. Split it up here as well and solve for this shape, and this shape if you'd like. You could do kind of whatever is easier for you, but you first kind of have to look at it and you have to try to figure out what are these other side lengths. So we would look, we got 11 here, so that means this is 11. The top is 8, so that means that this down here would also be 8 inches. This side is congruent to this. This side is congruent to this side, so they're the same. This is 11, this is 11. This is also 11 here. And what I think, personally for me, I would just take this big shape down the middle. Have 11 here. This is 9. And I know this is 9 right here. So we have 11 plus 9 plus 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 11. 20 plus 11 would be 31. And we have 31 going down the side. So from here all the way to here, that's 31 inches. 11 plus 9 plus 11. And then down here at the bottom, it's going to be 8 inches. And we know to find the area of a rectangle, like it says there, is base times height. Got 31 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So this area here for this whole shape be 248 inches. Now I got 108 plus 108. Do that right here for you. 108 plus 108, that's 16. That's 216 plus 248. Let's do that here. 248 plus 216. That's 14. That's 6. That's 4. There's my area. So the area of this weird looking shape here would be 464 inches squared. Alright. Kind of interesting. You could do it a couple different ways, whatever works easier for you. Hopefully that works for you. We'll be on all day today again. Click on the link. If you need help, extra help, Zoom meetings, whatever you need there. Hopefully you have a great day, a wonderful day, and I will see you next time for the next episode of Garage Math with Mr. Garza. You have a wonderful day.